Welcome back, everyone. Let us unravel the latest movement in Microsoft stock through the lens of real technical signals, so you can trade or invest with clarity and intention. Right now, Microsoft trades near $522, having swung between $519.50 and $524.30 in recent sessions. That intraday range reflects a relatively contained volatility, while the overall momentum remains constructive. Moving averages, shorter-term averages near $524 are slightly above current price, signaling a mild downward friction, while medium and longer-term moving averages are decisively lower, with levels in the $517-$495 range and beyond, suggesting a broader upward trend remains intact and supportive. Relative Strength Index RSI sits around 59, that is solidly in neutral territory. No heat from overbought levels, but also no exhaustion from oversold. It hints at steady, sustainable momentum rather than a heated blow-off. MACD at a positive 9.6 suggests buying pressure is an edge of control, a constructive signal as the gap above zero indicates upward momentum continues, though watch for any flattening or crossover back downward. Stochastic Oscillator sits around 33, also in neutral territory, implying no immediate overbought or oversold extremes, yet hinting modest room to move higher before caution is warranted. Average Directional Index ADX reads high, near 46, revealing a strong underlying trend, though not necessarily its direction. Combined with plus did not quoted here, it suggests trend-following traders may be seeing real directional opportunities. Average True Range ATR, hovering near $10, grounds us in the current volatility environment. It's moderate, meaning price swings are meaningful but not erratic. Bollinger Bands, while not directly quoted, give an ATR and price range. The bands likely remain fairly stable in width, with price moving between the midline and upper zone, signaling potential continuation, but watch for contraction squeeze if volatility fades. Fibonacci levels, drawing from recent swing high around $555 and swing low near $500. Key retracement levels emerge, 38.2% at approximately $520, which is being tested now, 50% at around $527. A pivotal resistance zone, 61.8% near $534, likely target if bulls reclaim control. Ichimoku Cloud, while full data isn't cited, given a price above medium-term moving averages and an uptrend, we can presume price is above the cloud, with Tenkin and Kijin likely supporting. That future cloud potentially signaling continued upward bias unless twisted lower. Parabolic SAR, with recent uptrend, the dots likely trail beneath price, reinforcing the bullish stance, though a flip above price would quickly alert a shift in trend, support, and resistance. Immediate support zones cluster around $520, bridging Fibonacci and short-term moving average support. Immediate resistance at $527, then stronger around $535-$537. Aligning with pivot point calculations. Pivot points, classic pivot support 1, around $520 resistance 1, near $529-$530. Watch for price reaction at these levels for intercession guidance. Chart patterns. There are emerging hints of a symmetrical triangle breakdown from recent analysis. Lower highs and lower lows beneath $527, coiling into a wedge. Momentum histogram turned bearish recently, with stochastics rolling lower, yet current trading range suggests potential breakout, likely downward if support near $520 yields. Indicator by indicator summary and interpretation. Smaller moving averages versus longer ones. Slight short-term softness amid strong long-term trend. A mild pullback rather than reversal. RSI at 59. Balanced momentum, not overextended. Buck positive. Uptrend intact. Momentum still favors bulls. Stochastic Oscillator neutral. No. Extreme conditions. Momentum not overstretched. ADX high. Trend strength is high. Worthwhile to follow direction, not faded. ATR moderate. Volatility enabling moves without wild swings. Bollinger Bands latent. Price flirting with mid to upper range. Possible expansion if breakout ensues. Fibonacci retracements. The 38.2% level $527 is a key threshold to reclaim for bullish continuation. Ichimoku components likely supportive. Tenkin, Kijin, and Cloud providing dynamic support. Parabolic SAR intact below price. Trend still up unless reversed. Support, resistance, and pivot alignment. Tight zones within $520, $527 range. A breakout or breakdown will likely define next move. Triangle-like price compression, potential breakout scenario. Monitor direction closely. Trading. Inside. Price is sandwiched between support at tilt $520 and resistance near $527. While the broader trend remains upward, we see short-term consolidation. Bulls aim to lift price through $527. Then a higher at $530 for $537 resistance. Conversely, a breach below $520 could open the door to deeper retracements toward $515 or beyond. If you're looking to enter, a break with conviction above $527 offers a bullish entry zone. Stop just below $520. Alternatively, short bias setups could target below $520, with stops above $525. Wrapping up, Microsoft currently trades with balanced momentum, constructive medium to longer term. Trend intact, neutral to slightly bullish technicals, and a tightening range. Watch $520, $527 closely. A breakout in either direction may define the next swing. If today's breakdown helps you understand where Microsoft might head next, don't go quietly. Smash that like button. Subscribe for more in-depth trading breakdowns, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a real-time update. Stay sharp, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next video.